DKM provides you precise injection molding system solutions with complete injection molding equipment to help you start mass production soon and maximize your ROI. Through thousands of production line service experience and technology accumulation over 20 years, DKM has launched 3 series production lines and focus on performance optimization and technical innovation constantly. DKM achieved the goal of make molding more valuable. DKM takes the lead in proposing turnkey projects to provide users one-stop intelligent factory system solutions, from water, air, electrical power, design and workshop to workshop layout, and professional installation and debugging. From equipment operation and maintenance to provision of management system, standard and process, from production line on-site training to equipment and mold after-sale problem-solving, etc. We save your financial, time, and chance cost to make your products publish into the market in the earliest time and seize the business opportunity. Based on the experience and technology of thousands of free series of production lines, combined with DKM mission, DKM has focused on shortening the delivery time, speeding up the molding cycle, and improving the stability of the production line over the past 20 years. DKM is striving for excellence, never stops. Establish safety stock standards for long delivery materials and core materials. Establish technical standards, quality standards, and production standards of machine and mold. Launch special injection molding machine according to the molding characteristics of plastic parts in terms of plasticizing speed, injection speed, mold opening, clamping, and ejection speed. The action nodes are constantly coordinated, and the action speed is continuously optimized. Mold maximize filling speed in the runner design, maximizing cooling speed with non-dead angle and fully uniform. Research and develop special auxiliary equipment for injection molding according to different product characteristics. For example, out-mode cooling device, auto-picking, auto-detection, and auto-inspection equipment help users realize high speed, high efficient, and high quality mass production. Actively analyze and adopt users' feasible suggestions through persistent market satisfaction survey. Quick service response and efficient problem solving to prevent the same problem from happening again. Strict quality standard management system and operation process. Mass production simulation test before delivery, ensuring the stability of the production line. Based on strong scientific research team, DKM made new achievements in R&D over the past years. An organic R&D system with core competitive advantages has been established. In 2019, Dr. Louis Zhang was invited to joining DKM team as the chief scientist. Now, Dr. Zhang is leading the team to carry out the intelligent upgrading of the production line and has achieved fruitful results. DKM team is working hard for a brilliant future of intelligent manufacturing. DKM, make molding more valuable.